YouTube, guess what we're doing today? This tractor here does not run. It needs a battery and starter and transmission, but as you can see, I got this transmission right here I just pulled. It came out of that old tractor, and it's good. So what I'm going to do is put that transmission in this tractor, and that will be in the next video whenever I get to it. It's a lot of work. As you see, my hands are pretty beat up from today. Yep, that's a 61 Sears Suburban, and this is a 1973 Sears Suburban. As you can see, this thing, even though it's a